What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlogs, and as always I appreciate all the love and support. In today's video, I'm sure you guys seen it in the thumbnail, we got the ZL1. I got this big rod that's in my hand right now from MovMax, and I can't wait to get this video going. Now we're not gonna forget and not record the car idling, because you already know that is a must. This is from MovMax also. Let's go. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take a quick spin, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like with the MovMax setup on the 360 in the back of the car. And I'm also gonna get the POV from this view right over here with the MovMax stand rod right there. And it's got the Osmo Pocket 3 on there, which is gonna be recording while I'm driving. And then this camera right here will be recording the back of the car. Let's get it. Now, as you guys can see, I have two different cameras going at the same time. We got the Osmo Pocket 3 recording, and it's on the MovMax stand rod that's mounted on the car, which once I get to my spot where I'm planning on parking up the car, then I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys exactly how I did that setup. This is how it works in my car, but it'll work so many different ways, and I'll break that down for you guys once we get to our destination. But at this point, what's really cool is what's happening all at the same time. This camera right here on my cell phone is working the camera in the back of the car. This camera right here is working the inside of the car, and then you guys are right here on the vlogging camera, all happening at the same time. But either way, let's go make it to our destination and get this video going. All right, you guys, so we made it to the destination. As you can see, we're parked up now. It looks like I'm in the middle of nowhere, but I'm not really that far from the house. It's just a little stash spot area that I like to come to, where I'm like away from everyone. That way we can get these videos going. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over everything that I promised, and we'll get it going. As you guys can see, we're gonna start out the video and talk about this rod right here, which is actually known as the MovMax telescopic rod. The way I mounted it down here on the bottom, I just planted it right there. It's supporting any kind of like camera that you might have. I'm using the Osmo Pocket 3, so the Osmo Pocket 3 is not a heavy camera or anything like that. It's actually super light. I can actually put my vlogging camera right on top of this right here and point it towards me, and it'll hold it just fine, because the top part right there is actually suction mounted to my windshield for extra support. Now, if you have a moonroof or something like that, sunroof, you can actually mount that in the back seat over here, and then mount it up top on the moonroof, and you can mount it on the bottom where to hold it in place. That way you don't put too much stress on the glass. This piece actually right here is really cool to have if you're gonna be taking this to the drag strip, because it'll get your reaction when you're on the track and you're racing your car. Doesn't matter, you could be doing autocross, you could be doing drag racing, whatever the case may be, and you can just mount it there and it'll be recording you the entire time, just like you guys saw I did while I was driving. I was showing you guys me just cruising around. Now, it does come with multiple accessories, and that is one of them right there, which is the bottom piece. That is one piece from MovMax, and then the top piece that's actually holding up the Insta360, that is another accessory that you can buy from MovMax, where you can add it to the telescopic rod, and then you can attach whatever it is that you have, if it's a 360 camera like that, or if it's an actual vlogging camera or a smaller action camera. Whatever the case may be, you want that attachment right there. That way you can hold it up for you. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna pan around the ZL1 just for a second. That way we can just admire the car before I open the door and show you guys how that setup is put together and what it actually looks like from the inside of the car when you open the door. And there you go. As you guys can see, that thing is mounted and it is not going anywhere. It's a beautiful setup. It's a really cool setup. Again, for those out there that want to even just take a quick vacation and take a road trip and vlog the whole thing, you can do that. You can totally do that. That's like a perfect setup right there. That's not stressing it at all. Even though this thing can take some weight, it'll hold up the vlogging camera, no problem. That's what it looks like from the side of the car, from the window peeking just for a second, looking at it from the side. That looks really cool too. All right, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at MovMax double suction cup. This is gonna be the rod where you can put your 360 camera on it. That way you can mount it to the back of the car. This right here goes on the back window, and then this right here goes on the top of the trunk, and then you just pump this till the red line disappears. Once that disappears, that means it's in place. You always want to double check and make sure it's sturdy. Now this is the shorter version right here, but what you can do is you could just loosen it from right here, and then you stretch it out, tighten it back, and then you can see the length this is now, and it'll make sure that it'll get the back of your car, no problem. The whole view will show in the video. So first thing I'm going to do is make sure I go through every accessory that they sent me. That way it'll give you guys an idea of what they sell. For example, like this 1-inch ball mount adapter for action cameras right here. This is the part number. That's the actual part, and that's what it looks like right there. So that's the first one. Let's keep opening them up, see what else we got. Now they do sell them in kits, right? So this is the first kit right here, and that's the name of the kit. And then here's the second kit right here. This one is the socket arm with rod clamp and a 1/4-inch thread. That's what's in here. So let me show you. When you open it up, there's 4 pieces inside. Here's another one of those. It's a 1-inch ball connector with NATO clamp. And then this one here is the double socket arm. That's what this one is. I tried to be low key, bro. That didn't really work out as planned. And then this one here is the double socket arm, which is the 10 centimeters. And that's what it looks like right there. You can mount it on there. That's where the ball joints go up top and one on the bottom. And then what you can do is you can attach your camera right on top of that right there and tighten it up with the little handle, and you'll be good to go. That's how that works. All right, so at this point, I'm pretty sure you guys get the point and understand where I'm going with it. When it comes to getting all the accessories, I'm just gonna go over the rest of them that they sent me. No need to actually open them up because now you guys have an idea of what they look like, the build quality, all that good stuff. This one here is the MovMax rod clamp. This is the MovMax double socket arm. The rod clamp, that's this one right here. Another double socket arm, this one right here. This one is a 1-inch ball connector with a 1/4 thread. Now this one I feel like I should open because this one's actually pretty cool. This is the phone mount. I should show you guys what this one looks like. That's really cool looking. Ha, look at that. And it's got that ball joint right here where it can clamp on and you just tighten it up like I just demonstrated and showed you guys. What's really cool about this is like super thick material right here. It's not cheap plastic. It's not spring loaded where you open and close this right here to hold your phone. It's actually screwed into place. So if you unscrew it like this, that's how you loosen it up. Put your phone in there. Perfect fit. And yeah, that's not going anywhere. Shout out to you guys too. There's a comment on YouTube came in just now. Appreciate you guys. He said after the honeymoon stage. Shout out to what's your name, dog? It's OGG619. That's you right there. And yes, my wallpaper is Pretam. It's Optimus. And you guys, there it is. That wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed everything you saw, just going down the list of all the parts that you can possibly get to go ahead and set up everything. I know you guys have seen some of those really cool videos either on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram Reels, all that stuff, YouTube Shorts. And you guys are like, man, what are they using to get those angles, those kind of shots? How is that holding up the camera? What exact accessories do you need to make it work? And I just gave you guys that list that hopefully will help you guys out so you can get that set up just like I do for the ZL1. Now, as you can see, Superman is holding it down. I feel like it deserves stuff like that because what I have planned coming for the car, it's definitely going to be beneficial to have stuff like that from MovMax. That way it can help me provide you guys those kind of videos that you guys like and enjoy so much. Now, that being said, if you guys enjoyed today's video and it's your first time on the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. A thumbs up definitely helps out the channel. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. I'm a huge fan of doing reviews on stuff like this when it comes to like gadgets, cameras, all that stuff. I just love electronics. I know that it'll help benefit what I'm creating here on the channel for you guys to enjoy, from the B-rolls to the rollers to the driving through the city, through the POVs, all that good stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoyed everything you guys seen, and I'll make sure I leave everything in the description, the link where you guys can click and go get all the parts that you need for your camera gear. And make sure you guys start recording and jump on board and stop sitting back on that couch and just thinking about doing it. Just get up, do it, record it. You'll get to that point where you're trying to get to, and you're gonna have a lot of fun while you're doing it. But either way, in the meantime, between time, you guys know the drill. Hey Dilla, bow, Superman, chilling right there. Prep time, chilling in the garage. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.